Hi everybody, we're at John Sadler's and we have a 2004 Honda Civic. Came in for an oil change and the customer informed me she had some body work done, the front fender replaced, and I'll show you some pieces the body shop forgot to put back on. So they put a new bumper on, looks like, and clean up her headlights and stuff. And then if you go around to the side here, you should be able to see this washer fluid bottle. There's supposed to be what's called an inner fender liner that goes inside of here that covers up this bottle. And there's a bunch of little attaching places for the screws to attach here, in here, and another one up there. And I'll show you like a little picture. They all come in little kits, but there's a right and left hand fender liner. Then there's a little piece, a little splash shield that goes on the bottom underneath. So I'll show you that. So you can see there's no shield down here whatsoever. It's missing. And then we'll take a quick look at the passenger side over here. And you can see the fender liner is missing there too. So they said the body shop had it for a long time, for like a month. And she just came today for an oil change because she's going to take a trip. And I looked at that and I kept looking at it. I says, this isn't right at all. They shouldn't be able to see all that space through there. And as I was coming down, checking the tire pressures and saw the washer tank, I realized what was going on. So people, please be aware, just because the body shop says your car's all done, they did an amazing job and things like that, well, they've actually forgot to put 3 pieces back on their car that were on the car before. How do we know? Because I've worked on this car for 4 years now, and those pieces were there before. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon.